हाय टीचर्स, आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ सप्लीमेंट्री मटेरियल्स के बारे में। नाउ व्हाट इज अ सप्लीमेंट्री मटेरियल? आप सभी अपने क्लास में कोर्स बुक्स यूज़ करते होंगे, राइट? नाउ एवरी टीचर फील्स कि जो कोर्स बुक हम यूज़ करते हैं वो सफिशेंट नहीं होती उस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के लिए। तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ढूंढ के कोई वर्कशीट लानी पड़ती है या एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस बनाने पड़ते हैं या आप खुद कोई मटेरियल्स डिज़ाइन करते हैं, उसे बोर्ड पे लिखते हैं। तो जो भी काम आप अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कोर्स बुक कर रहे हैं उसी टॉपिक को पढ़ाने के लिए, उसको बोलते हैं सप्लीमेंट्री मटेरियल्स। All the materials which you use apart from your course book, apart from the syllabus given in the school, and you're using something extra, that is supplementary materials. Now, why are supplementary materials important? Because number one, they boost the learning of the kids. Whatever is written in the textbook, but they need more time, more practice, more guided practice, and that is what these materials give. Number two, they also retain learning in the kids because you have given them a lot of practice. You are connecting whatever is there in the course book with something else outside. The kids are bound to retain the concept for a longer time. Number three, extra materials always connect the kids to the real life. Okay, so for example, if you're starting your class on letter writing, okay, informal letter writing, you can always start the class with a video on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru writing letters to Indira Gandhi. Those letters could start your class and kids can get a good warm up and energizer, and they will be just pepped up to write letters to their own family members. This is one way of adding some real life things into your classroom, because your classroom is not an island. You definitely have to, whatever you are teaching in the classroom, you have to show how it is being used outside the classroom as well. So definitely do that. Also, third one, whatever you teach in the classroom, if it is implemented there and then in the form of projects through supplementary learning, it again boosts retention. So for example, letter writing could be done and then a pen pal program could be started, maybe within the classes in the school or outside school or in their surroundings, to their friends or to some other country. You all can start with email writing as well. So all these things will make the learning meaningful and enjoyable for the kids. Definitely let me know if you loved this video, and also share if you have other ways of using supplementary material in your classroom. Bye bye and take care.